tree hopper. These insects make sounds in a highly unusual way. By quivering their abdomen, they send out a wave of vibrations that travel down through their legs and along the stems of the plants, like their own telephone lines. They're calling for mates and to let each other know they found food. This green tree hopper is a caring mother. She looks after her nursery of nymphs, each only the size of a grain of rice. Tree hoppers are some of the only insects that show maternal care. An assassin bug, a venomous predator. As soon as the nymphs sense its footsteps, they send out an alarm. A series of vibrations that ripple through the nursery. Mum detects their alarm call. The nymph's Mexican wave alerts her to exactly where the danger is. She follows their signals. Mum now has a fight on her hands. But those legs that are so good at sending and receiving messages are also pretty handy at a spot of kung fu.